How do I fix Steam purchase failed error?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many gamers experience, the Steam purchase failed error. This issue can happen for a variety of reasons, but don't worry, we've got you covered. We're going to walk you through some straightforward steps to resolve this error and get back to gaming as soon as possible. Remember, troubleshooting is a process of elimination, so it might take a few tries to find the solution that works for you.
Checking your internet connection.
First things first, you'll want to check your internet connection. A stable and strong connection is required for successful transactions. If your connection is weak or unstable, it could be causing the error. 1. Restart your router to refresh your connection. Wait for a few minutes before you reconnect. 2. Try using a wired connection instead of wireless, if possible. Wired connections are usually more stable.
Clearing your Steam browser cache and cookies.
If your internet connection isn't the problem, the next step is to clear your Steam browser cache and cookies. This can solve many issues related to the Steam client. Here's how to do it. 1. Open your Steam client and go to Steam in the upper left corner. 2. Click on Settings. 3. Go to Web Browser and click on Delete Web Browser Cache and delete all browser cookies.
Updating your payment information.
Another common reason for purchase failure is outdated or incorrect payment information. Updating your payment information can often resolve this error. 1. Go to Steam, Settings, Account. 2. Click on View Account Details. 3. Navigate to Store and Purchase History and click on Update Store Payment Info.
Contacting Steam support.
If all else fails, it might be time to contact Steam support. There could be an issue with your account or the game you're trying to purchase. Remember, always provide as much detail as you can when submitting a support request to help the support team diagnose and fix your problem faster. And that's it. We hope this video has helped you resolve your Steam purchase failed error. Remember, the key to troubleshooting is patience and persistence. Don't get discouraged if the first few solutions don't work. Keep trying, and you'll get there. As always, happy gaming, everyone!